Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy channel of the YouTube. Very interesting channel. You will get everything for everybody. This channel is for the students of the BAMS, MBBS, BHMS, all faculties. This channel is for all the professors. This channel is for all the upcoming doctors, mature doctors, and also for the layman and also for the patients. My dear friend, this is a particular series regarding the Dravya Guna Vijnana or Ayurvedic herbology. I am discussing very important to begin with 30 important Ayurvedic medicinal plants. And this is nearly the 8th plant that I am uploading the video. So my dear friends, I request all of you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and get the advantage of this scientific information. Yes, scientific, because myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, I am MD post-graduation in Ayurvedic medicine, that is Kaya Chikitsa, and Ayurvedic physiology, that is Kriya Sharira. My WhatsApp number for communication, 922-6810-630. So today we are going to discuss a very interesting, very costly, but very important plant, that is Chandana herb. Now let us start with understanding the synonyms. Synonyms or paryayi nama. This is very important to understand the structure of the plant, properties of the plant, or sometimes functions or the indications of that particular plant, herb. So Sri Khanda. What is Sri? Sri is a good and Khanda means peace. So this is a very good piece for the fragrance and for relieving our health problems. Next, Gandha Sara. Gandha means fragrance, smell. So Chandana is very famous, very popular for the nice fragrance. Chandan Sabadan. Do you remember this particular line of the Bollywood song? Chandan Sa Badan. So our body complexion and body texture and the skin texture, skin complexion is very much get influenced by the use of chandana or sandalwood. Okay, this is Shitala. Shitala, chilled, cooling effect. This particular plant is a very nice cooling effect on the body. So it is Pittagna. Chandan is very precious. Because of multi-dimensional utility of the Chandan, these trees are many times stolen and sold with the high cost. Chandan is used in India for performing the worship of the god, divine power. Chandan, this is a very precious plant. You must understand. Now, Santalum album is a Latin name. Santalum album. This is the big tree. We use the heart wood, inner part of the wood. Rasa vipaka virya. Rasa is a thick, bitter. Kashaya astringent, and Katu is little pungent. Vipak is Katu, but virya, potency, final effect is a sheath. Thanda, cool, very cooling in nature. Guna, Laghu. What is Laghu? Which makes the digestion very easy. Ruksha, cleansing the clay, the unwanted arm from the body. And sheath, cooling effect. Chandan effect, first on the dosha. This is Kapha Pitta Gna. Kapha is because of Tikta Rasa. And Pitta Gna, it is cooled. But if you use this plant in excess, it can be Vata Kara. It can stimulate the unwanted activities. Vata Kara. Do you understand? Dhatu, it acts on Rasa Dhatu. Rakta Dhatu, because Rakta and Pitta are always Ashraya and Ashrayi, like the energy and matter. Yes. Pitta is energy and Rakta is a matter, energy matter. And Mouse Dhatu, it acts on the Mouse Dhatu. Stone is improved. Srotas, it acts on Rasava Srotas, Raktava Srotas, and also the Mutra Vaha Srotas. Effects. Due to the Ruksha, Laghu, and Shita property, it's slightly increasing the Vata, but don't get confused. It is not that much Vata Kara. It pacifies the Pitta because of the Tikta Rasa, bitter taste. All the antipyretic medicines which reduces the fever. For example, Maha Sudarshana Ganavati. Always these medicines for the pyrexia or the fever, they are bitter in taste, because bitter is always good to digest the arm. It removes the clay, the unwanted arm, unwanted secretions from the body. Okay. So Tincturus is very useful as antiseptic, anti-infective, antimicrobial, antiseptic. Tincturus, bitter taste, and Shitavirya, cooling down the body temperature. Chandan affects the Rakta Dhatu by reducing the Pitta from it. Because if the Pitta is Prakopita, vitiated because of the Ushna, Tikshna property, Ushna, Tikshna, Ushna hot, Tikshna penetrating, and that damages the Rakta Dhatu. Pitta, dosh, Pitta is a dosh, and Rakta is a Dhatu. When doshas are Prakopit, they attack on the Dhatu. You know this. Dosh, Dusha, Sammurchana, Janito Vyadi. How the disease is created? How the disease is created? Vitiated dosha attacks on the dhatu or mala. And that's why these dhatu and mala are called as dusha in Ayurveda. Don't forget these words, Ayurvedic terminology. Dusha. Who is Prakupita? Dosha. And dosha and dusha, sammurchana, unwanted, pathological amalgamation is creating the disease, Janito Vyadhi. Okay? So Chandana reduces the made body fat due to the Tincturus, bitter, aspirin, and Ruksha Guna, Kledane, Shoshana, okay, and Laghu property. Because of the Tincturus, Ruksha, and Laghu, it controls the unwanted fatty tissue accumulation in the abdomen especially. Chandan is helping for the betterment of Rakta Dhatu. Rakta Shuddhi Kar. Whenever the Rakta Dhatu blood is impure, it cleans by the Chandana, sandalwood. White Chandana, Pittagna, is used to control the excessive body heat. White. Shweta Chandana. Pitta or Pitta Vata biotype usually get the headache after exposing to the heat of the sun. Migraine attack when they come in the Grishma Rutu, summer season, hot climate, they move around and then they start in the afternoon, severe headache, migraine or simple headache because of the heat. Then you have to apply the sandalwood paste done in the cold water is applied here on the forehead. This reduces the headache and also burning of the eyes. Chandan is used for Daha Shamana. Daha means burning. Burning is reduced. To reduce the burning or heat of the body. Burning of the hands. Burning of the feet. Can you see here? Erythema. They control the symptoms of erythro, like this, erythema, redness and inflammation. Burning of eyes due to the, increased screen time. In the corona pandemic lockdown period, last 1 year, many students, many IT people, they are exposed to the lot excessive screening time. What does it mean? Lot of time seeing the mobiles, online lectures, lot of time sitting in front of the computer, desktop, laptop, and there is also our television. So everything is Prakupita Pitta. Your eyes are getting inflamed, heat. They get tired. That is asthenopia. Tiredness of the eyes because of the excessive screen time. That is Pittagara. So also there is another thing, hot flushes in the menopause. When the menstrual cycle stops, there is imbalance in the hormones. Estrogen is coming down, and that is why there is a hot flushes in the ladies. To control that hot flushes, you must use Chandanadi Vati. Vati means tablet. In all these Apu conditions, you can use Chandanadi Vati, 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening, with little bit milk. Or you can use the rice water, or you can use the kokum sarbat, or you can use the pomegranate juice. Or Anupan. This is Anupan. Daha Shamak. Daha means burning. Cooling agent. Chandan reduces the burning sensation in the body. Burning is the characteristic feature of Pitta dosha. Pitta, Pittadrute nasti ushma. Sanskrit quotation by Ayurveda. Pitta drute nasti ushma, vata drute nasti ruja. Whenever there is a pain, there is a problem with the vata dosh. Whenever there is a ushnata, hotness, heat, that is related with always with the pitta dosha. Don't forget this matching pair. Okay, heat, pitta. Okay, pain, vata. Next, chandana daha shama. Can you see heat stroke? In the hot sun, the people can fall down, become unconscious. How to diagnose the heat stroke? Very interesting point. Huh? There we go, and it's like a fire. Oh my God, very hot, very hot. But there is no sweat, no sweating. Body is red colored and very hot. That is heat stroke. Heat exhaustion is milder form. Heat exhaustion. The patient gets lot of sweating, tiredness, burning. It's okay. But some people, they get unconscious because their temperature controlling center in the brain is get damaged because of the heat. Are you understanding? Next, Daha due to the dhatu kshaya. Ayurveda concept. Generally, in malnourished people, due to the deficiencies of the nutritional substances of the dhatus, the burning can occur. Dhatu kshayajanya. Whenever there is a deficiency. For example, whenever there is a peripheral neuropathy, you know this word, peripheral neuropathy, tingling, numbness in the hands, burning of the hands, paresthesia. They say it may be the deficiency of B1, thiamine. And what the doctor prescribed, modern doctor, allopathic doctor, injection neurobion, injection polybion. But remember, this injection neurobion, injection polybion, because of the B1, because of the thiamine, it can create anaphylactic shock. This is very dangerous. So always neurobion, polybion injection should be given after AST, after sensitivity test. Don't forget this. Okay. But here, Ayurveda, we are talking about Ayurveda, Chandana. So whenever you find that the rasa or rakta or mausa, dhatu, low weight person is there, dehydrated person is there, anemic patient is there. Understand? So here you can use bala, yashti madhu with chandana. Bala churna, fine powder. Yashti madhu, yashti madhu, fine powder. And chandana powder, mix it together, take with the ghee and sugar. Ghee and sugar, morning and evening, minimum 1 to 2 teaspoon, and you will get relief. Next, chandana in the sama pitta. However, when the pitta is associated with ama, sama pitta, the best example is jwara or the fever. The burning is one of the feature. Sama pitta. Chandana is useful also in this condition. It reduces the ama. What is ama? What is ama? Ama is like toxin-like substance in the body. Ama is a toxin-like substance. It can be the endogenous toxin. It can be the exogenous toxin. Do you understand? Endogenous because of the indigestion. Digestion is hampered. Metabolic process is hampered. It can be because of the exogenous causes. Bacterial toxins, viral toxins. Do you understand? Protozoal toxins. That is also ama. So in all these ama conditions, septic conditions, tikta rasa, bitter taste, works like an antibiotic, antiseptic. That is in the chandana. Okay. So and pacifies the pitta by the shita property. Next, pitta jajvar. In the dehydration, where there is a thirst, is a predominant, chandan is preferred along with the vada and musta. The typical medicated water. Please write down the name. Medicated water. According to Ayurveda. Shadangodaka. Shadanga 6. Shadang 6. Udaka water. Shadanga udaka. Musta parpat ushira. Chandana nagaraihi. Shrutam shitam jalam deyam pipasa jvarashantaye. Don't get afraid. Don't get afraid because of the Sanskrit. I have written here. Musta contents. Parpata, Ushira, Chandana, Naga. You have to prepare the medicated water, but bring from the medical shop, Bharada Churna. There are two types of churnas or powder, fine powder and bharada. Fine powder and coarse powder. When you want to prepare medicated water, medicated decoction, you have to bring the bharada churna. Don't forget this. They don't make confusion. When you want to only take a churna, fine powder with the ghee and sugar, then fine powder. But here you want to prepare some decoction. If you want to prepare some medicated water, medicated milk, then bharada churna. High pitta, pitta jajivar, chandana phanta, cold infusion due to the cold potency to reduce the thirst, and febrile convulsions also can be controlled. Chandanadivati is available. Chandana lep, sandalwood paste, here you can apply in the cases of fever. Okay. So external application of Shweta Chandana around the umbilicus also. Try to understand. Around the umbilicus. Internally, Chandanasava and lotus, Arvindasava and pearl, Mukta Pishti can be used. These are the different medicines that can be used in these conditions. Chandana is Rakta Pitta Gna. Bleeding disorders is called as Rakta Pitta in Veda. Due to the bitter taste and cold potency, Chandana reduces the Tikshna and Ushna Pitta invading Rakta. Naturally, it is useful for the all bleeding disorders. For example, idiopathic thrombocytopenic purpura, ITP. It can be used in thalassemia. It can be used in epistaxis. It can be used in the hematemesis. It can be used in the hematuria. Wherever there is a bleeding, you can use the chandan by skillful technique. Chandana in pittaja brahma, giddiness. Chandana is used in the giddiness which is associated with heat or excessive pitta in the body. In this condition, there is a oja kshaya. What is oja? According to Ayurveda, this is the essence of all the 7 dhatus. Oja is nothing but a component of immunity. Component of immunity. You understand? Essence of all the dhatus. Rasa should be best. Rakta should be best. Mausa should be best. Meda should be best. Asti should be best. Majja should be best. Shukra should be best. Oja will be there. Your immunity will be strong. Okay? So, Oja Kshaya is a deficiency. Reduced vital sap takes place due to the extreme heat. Chandana is a protective and maintain the Oja of the body, immunity. Chandan in Mutradah, burning urination. Urinary condition, Chandan powder with milk and sugar is recommended in burning urination and urinary tract infection, UTI. Two things are important. One is burning micturition and second is fever with rigor. Fever with rigor. And burning micturition. Then UTI. You have to take the urine sample to the laboratory and you will get pus cells in the urine. Okay. Chandana Sava, 3 teaspoons 2 times in a day to reduce the burning micturition. Chandana is used in Sarvangadaha Prashamana, pacifying the body heat due to the Tikshna property of Pitta, that is penetrating character, the irritation of the body-mind complex takes place. The irritation of body-mind complex is reduced by Chandana due to the Shita property and bitterness. Kushtagna. Chandana plus turmeric paste with milk is useful in acne vulgaris. Kushtha is not leprosy. In Ayurveda, Kushtha means many different skin diseases. Kushtha means many different skin diseases, that is Kushtha in Ayurveda. Some people get the skin rash, burning and itching after exposure to the sun heat, photo sensitivity. Sandalwood oil application is useful in these patients. Sandalwood paste or oil is also useful in skin rash due to the insect bite. Stretch marks after delivery can be reduced by massage with chandana oil. Excessive sweating and foul smelling of the body can be reduced by sprinkling sandalwood powder as a deodorant. Very interesting. Kushtagna. Chandan lep is useful for the wounds due to the burning by dry heat like the hot plate, etc. Rakta Chandana paste, when applied externally, can reduce the pain and inflammation due to the trauma or sprain or contusion. Kushtagna. A chandan is advised in the various skin diseases where itching, because Tiktaras is there, and burning, Shitavirya are the prominent feature. Itching and burning both, try to understand. It is used in the burned wounds. Chandana powder with honey and ghee is recommended in the burn cases. Varnya. Tiktaras, a bitter taste, is useful to reduce the burning sensation and leads to the detoxification of the body. Chandan also improves the skin complexion. Chandan powder is applied for this purpose. Okay. There are a lot of cosmetics are available. I am going to show you some pictures of the sandalwood cosmetics. Okay. Chandana Rakta Stambhaka. Chandan reduces the acidity of Rakta and helps as a styptic hemostatic agent, useful in the ecchymosis and petechi, bleeding sprouts in the thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, purpura, all these bleeding problems, you can use the Chandana, sandalwood. So these are the different kalpa or the products. Chandanadivati, 2 tablets before meal, twice daily for urinary symptoms, and after meal for viral fever for a 1 week period. Chandanasava for burning micturition, 3 teaspoons with equal amount of water before lunch and dinner, and body heat after meal. Okay. So these are the products. Vaidyanath Chandanadivati. Can you see? Then Sandu Chandanasava is also available. Chandana Bala Lakshadi Tail. Chandana, Bala and Lakshadi, 3 together. This is for Abhyanga in Pitta associated conditions. For the body massage. Chandana Bala Lakshadi Tail. For the children, it is very, very useful. In the children, remember, Chandanadi Churna, a fine powder. Chadangodaka, I have already explained about the thirst in the fever. Musta Parpata Ushira, Chandana Nagaraihi. I'm sorry, this is repeated. Bharada Churna is also used for as a coarse powder. Shrutam Shitam Jalam Deyam Pipasa Jarashantaye. Okay. Next, this is Chandana Churna, fine powder. This is sandalwood oil. Can you see about for the complexion purpose? Then this is sandalwood soap. Yes, different products are available. Then this is, what is that? Varni. So Varni. This is also used as a, what you can say, the application, external application. Next, this is also a type of the, what you can say, the external applications, Chandana Kalpas. This is also for fragrance. So different cosmetic products are available. Okay. So this is Glow Pack. Can you see? Face sandalwood glow pack. You have to apply at night. Okay. Chandana Bala Lakshadidil at last. Okay. So my dear friends, this is all about the detailed scientific explanation of Santalum album or Chandan, which is a cooling plant and can be used in all pitta problems. Okay. So my dear friends, I hope that this is very useful for you, but always remember, Dr. Deshpande's purpose to make these videos is education only. I don't recommend any self-medication. So this is a disclaimer. कौन सी भी बीमारी में यथावश्यक यथाकाल वैद्य की सलाह लेना बहुत ही जरूरत है. So my dear friends, if you are suffering from any health problems, like for example, hot flushes and menopause, liver problems, liver cancer, hair fall, etc., you can always welcome in the Ayurveda Academy. We have the different team of doctors who can guide you properly, but you can go to nearby doctors also and Ayurvedic hospitals. For online paid consultation, you can WhatsApp me 922-6810-630. And with my last but not least request, please like this video, like thumbs up, give the positive energetic comments, so share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to give me the encouragement to make such type of videos all the times. I wish you all the best. Take care. Bye bye. I wish you all the best. Sarve Pisukena.